Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to enter into safe mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, long press this power button, that is side key, okay, and you will have power off option and restart option, emergency call. You have to long press on this power off option, then safe mode will be activated and you have to tap behind safe mode so that your phone will restart and will enter into safe mode. See here, phone will restart now, and after restarting safe mode will appear. Samsung Galaxy logo appears, powered by Android. Alternatively, you can go to the notification area and there will be the power off button. You go to select that power off button and then you can long press on power off soft key, then this safe mode will appear. Okay, in that way also you can select. Okay, see here in the bottom left side you will see safe mode printed in the display. Okay, so in this way you can easily enter into safe mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.